When the village is lit up at night, I noticed this area by the sledding hill and then in front of the country club was a little bit too dark for my liking. So my solution is these dome lights. I picked these up at Menards for $4.99, I believe. There's 50 LED dome lights on a string. The only thing is the string is green and not white, but I can make them work. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start over by the lighthouse because I have a plug-in over there, and then I'm gonna run along like the top here underneath where I have all this polyfill, and then it should end somewhere in this area. So I'm gonna get working at that, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Here's what it looks like before I add the polyfill. So I have the light cord plugged in underneath the platform where the lighthouse is, and I took the top of the lighthouse off so I didn't bump it and break it. Nestled the cord in between my sheets of styrofoam here, ran it around, used my floral pins to tack that down, and then around here I went up the side of the sledding hill and then come back down and went underneath because I added another piece of styrofoam underneath that. So it's not like setting level. I've got a little bit more adjusting to do. I'll adjust that a little bit, and then I'll add the polyfill and then readjust all of my trees because I did knock some trees over. And here is the finished look. I had to use more polyfill to cover the wire than what I originally used, but all the wire is covered and you can just see the lights. And for whatever reason, the lights on the video look blue, but they're really not. I guess that's the LED effect.